Flatscreen Arms specialise exclusively in mounts for monitors, tablets and TVs, giving you access to information wherever you need it.
The company's been around now for some 20 plus years. We started out as an engineering company working for local businesses. Flat screen technology came along. This enabled them to fit more desks in on a floor, which costs a lot of money per square foot. More desks meant more people, which meant more money. So we produced our first flat screen monitor arm, and we had a direct entrance into the market on a worldwide basis. Desk space, like office space, is at a premium. In the earlier days when you had CRT screens, it took up most of your desk. With what we do, you can have your screen up off the desk. It keeps it completely clear.
Flat screen monitors have already revolutionised the way that we consume and present content. Screens are light and slim enough to mount on walls, cheap and ubiquitous enough to use in every home and office. Revolutionising these screens again is the ability to put a screen anywhere, any size, any angle.
We design on a basis of no compromise. So we design the product to work. It has to be fluid in its motion, and that comes at a cost. Now, we're very proud of what we do. We've been doing this now for over 10 years and none of our products have been copied. Now, I think the reason behind that is that if people were going to copy what we produce, they would have to manufacture it in exactly the same way. I don't think our products will ever be copied because we would like to think that we're at the top of what we do. Usually, if things have a higher price tag, it's because they cost more to produce, which means they are a better quality. It's not always about overpaying for goods. You get what you pay for. And that's exactly the same with what we produce. You get what you pay for. It's not the cheapest, but it is a quality product. It will last you a lifetime.
Flatscreen Arms understand that our customers expect versatility and performance. Our products support the industry-standard VESA mount system, as well as proprietary Apple mounting brackets, giving you complete freedom to mount any device.
Being able to interact with the customer, the end user, and finding out what their needs are is very important for us to be able to design the right products. Sometimes we get requests from clients for something a little bit different. They'll want to incorporate our products maybe with a piece of furniture that they've designed, or they have a specific need for that product. We will then prototype, manufacture a finished product so that they can try it out, and then the client can then come back with any updates, changes, etc. But our products are fully adaptable, i.e. we don't just modify a component to suit, we'll actually design and manufacture a component to suit. Having a manufacturing facility on hand, we can do that in-house and we can do it very quickly, so we can do a quick turnaround, which is quite attractive to a lot of our clients because often the products that we supply are the last thing on the buying list. If we've got somebody out on site on a job and we've got to make a special part to interact with a client's piece of furniture, we can use Skype. So we can say, can you send me some pictures of that part? Move your camera a little bit, show me that bit. It really does give you the ability to be, I suppose, a bit cutting edge, really.
We also offer a complete range of fitting options, including desk mounts, post or wall fittings, accessory rails or slat wall mounts, letting you put your monitors anywhere you need them.
When we design a new product, we tend to do things slightly differently. We will take a pen and paper and we will sketch a design of what we want. Then we'll start putting some sizes on it, and a lot of the time we like to draw to scale so that we can get an idea of the aesthetics and how it's going to feel. Then we have a small prototype shop where we'll lay things out, we'll put the material in the machine, we'll program it and we'll start cutting metal until we get what it is that we actually want from the component. Only then, when we're happy with what we've produced, do we then draw it up into a 2D drawing, and then we 3D model it so that we can then incorporate that with the other components that we produce. I think a consultative approach is very important when designing any new products, because it costs money to design products. It costs time. We only like to make it once and we like to make it right. So as much information as possible from the client will allow us to design the right thing. This way it enables us to know that it is going to work, and then the customers aren't going to have any problems.
Flatscreen Arms have worked with monitors for almost 20 years, designing solutions for some of the most demanding agencies in the world, including air traffic control rooms and NASA Mission Command. Alongside our standard offerings, we are happy to work with our clients to develop a specific solution for other high-value technologies, such as iris readers.
Being a small company allows us an awful lot of flexibility, because we have a small team of people and we're able to react very quickly to anybody's needs. We can take an order in the morning and we can dispatch it in the afternoon. If we have to do a slight modification to a client's request, we can also do that on the same day, as long as we have the components on the shelf to be able to modify. The UK as a nation produce some fantastic quality made products, and I believe that that's what Great Britain is. It's all about quality. I think the rest of the world see that and they want British made products. We don't just design in the UK, we manufacture in the UK, and that's what we pride ourselves on as a company, that it is British. It's British designed, it's British manufactured. Somebody once said to me, you can either be the best or the cheapest, but never both. I would like to think that we're the best.